Hello friend, welcome to Jitech. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up Gmail as your default email app on your iPhones. So before we get started, if you want to more up-to-date related tech, then please subscribe my YouTube channel first and press the bell icon button for upcoming video notifications. Now let's move on towards our topic. Now if you want to set up your Gmail as your default email app, first of all go to your app store and in the search bar type here Gmail. And install this app to your iPhones. After installing this app, go back, open your settings. Now scroll it up until you see this app at your device. Now page by screen you can see Gmail. Simply tap at the Gmail. Now page my screen you can see default mail app. Simply tap at here. Now just change this check icon to Gmail. Like this you can easily set up Gmail by default as your iPhones. Now your all mails will be appears in your Gmail. Like this you can easily set up Gmail by default at your iPhones. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.